Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about what are smart contracts and what is their life cycle. By life cycle we mean what happens when we what happens during the entire lifetime of a smart contract from writing the code to actually deploying it on blockchain. So let's quickly go to the lower part. So smart contracts are nothing but simple programs that are running on blockchain. These programs include different functions, and inside those functions we have different conditions that needs to be met for the functions to execute. We will see that later in detail when we write our first Hello World program in Solidity or smart contract in Solidity. Now, what exactly is not a smart contract? Let's take a simple JavaScript program. Function hello prints hello world. It runs on a web browser, not on a blockchain, so it is not a smart contract. But if the same logic is written in Solidity, which we will see in the next video, if the same logic is written in Solidity and deployed on blockchain, then it will be called a smart contract. Now, smart contract uses smart contract don't use any arbitrary language like C++ or C sharp. Although we can use C++, but there are some special libraries for them, and specifically there are some special languages designed for blockchain programming. uh, Now there are two classes of the smart contract programming languages. One is Ethereum based and other is non-Ethereum based. Now Ethereum was designed to develop smart contracts on blockchain. Now it has two languages that are popular. The most popular is Solidity and the other one is Viper. Solidity is more like JavaScript and Python, and Viper is more like Python. Now non-Ethereum based programming languages can be Rust, that can be used for Solana and other blockchains, and Haskell, that is used for Cardano blockchain. Now, before understanding the smart contract lifecycle, let's quickly understand the difference between high-level languages and low-level languages. So, with the writing style complexity, the languages that are easier to understand for humans or more closer to human languages, those languages are called high level languages, and the languages that are more close to uh, binary or zero and ones or more close to machine language are called low level languages. For example, English is a high level language that is close to humans. Hindi, Python, JavaScript are more closer to humans than machines. And machine language that operates in zeros and ones, that is the native language of computer system, and assembly language that operates in uh, opcodes like push zero, pop zero, and all that. I'm sure you have seen the examples of these ones, but no worries, I need to explain everything from scratch. Now, these high level languages are compiled down to low level languages so that they can be executed on the computer, because computer only understands the binary language 0 and 1. Now, coming again to the Solidity smart contract lifecycle. So when we write our Solidity code, it compiles down with a Solidity compiler to two things. It generates two things. One is contract ABI, that is actually the JSON representation of the smart contract. We will see it in depth when we are writing our first Hello World contract. And the other thing it generates, that is the most powerful, or the thing that is main in the life cycle, that is bytecode. The Sol compiler generates the bytecode of the Solidity compiler, so it essentially converts the high level language into assembly level code. It contains instructions like push 1, add 2, comma 3, and all that. Even some would argue that it contains very much lower details than even that. But you just need to understand. But just for the sake of understanding, it the bytecode represents things like that. Now, this was actually the Solidity smart contract lifecycle, and just to recap, Solidity source code is compiled down to bytecode, and that bytecode is deployed on blockchain. And in the way, there is a contract API, that is a JSON representation of the smart contract that can be used to interact with the deployed smart contracts. And this sums up our entire video of smart contracts and the life cycle of smart contracts. And I hope everything is clear. If something is unclear, just drop a comment in the comment section and I will respond to you. Till then, take care and we'll see each other in the next video. Thank you.